G'day camper! Is your gas stove flaring up bright orange like this? Or lighting slow like this? Or just not performing like it used to? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix all of these problems and save you throwing away a perfectly good gas stove. I shot this video a few years ago, but here I've trimmed it down for more info in less time. First of all, grab yourself a spray bottle and mix up some soapy water. With your stove all hooked up, turn on the gas and spray the mix around where the hose joins the stove, where it joins the gas bottle, and behind each burner knob. You're looking for any sign of bubbles. Next, turn off the gas, remove the hose completely and bend it gently while inspecting it for any cracks. If the hose is stiff, dry and cracking, take it into your camping store and grab a replacement. Just make sure that what you're buying has a primary jet built into the gas bottle end. This is what it looks like. Also, check the seals in each end of the hose. This one is cracked and perished, and you can pick up new seals cheaply at a camping store. Next, remove the trivet from inside, close up the stove, flip it over, and remove the screws retaining each burner. Take each burner and check close up that none of the holes are blocked. Now I'll let Alex from the past tell you what the first problem could be.
Okay, here's potentially part one of your problem. What happens is the ones that you use the most, they're constantly heating and cooling, expanding and contracting. You can see there's rust on here. But what could be going on is that as it's doing that, the rust's all flaking and falling inside the burner. Sometimes you even get bugs nesting in them. So there could be anything from, there's this rumour that earwigs love gas, the smell of gas. So maybe there's earwigs in there, spiders could have nested in the little tubes. So just clear it out. Do it on something more substantial than your hand, obviously. I'm going to get these and tap them out on the concrete. Bit of compressed air and just blow it down there to loosen everything up.
There's also a small hole underneath each burner tube. This hole mixes the right amount of air with the gas, and if this or the tube gets blocked, the mixture goes wrong. Watch what happens when I block the hole with my finger. To clean the burners up, put them in a bowl with a little washing up liquid, add boiling water and let them soak. This is a good opportunity for a deep clean of your cooker cabinet. If you have any broken or cracked knobs, these pull off easily. If the flat surface in the centre here is damaged, that will be causing you problems too. Again, these are pretty cheap to replace at your camping store. Now Alex from the past has something to tell you about jets. Check out his floral shorts.
Blocked or faulty jets are the biggest cause of low flame or no flame or an inconsistent flame or yellow flame. Generally always comes down to the jets, so got to make sure you clean or replace these. If you've got the right size spanner, use that. I don't have one handy, so just a little adjustable will do. These are only brass, so they're quite soft. So you want to make sure you get that spanner the perfect size. They shouldn't be too tight.
Remove your first jet and look closely. You'll see a small letter stamped on it. This letter tells you the jet size. Each jet could be different, so make a note of which jet came from where as you remove them all. Gas leaves this oily residue, which over time is what seems to clog these up. So pop them in an old pan and boil them in fresh water. Never try sticking anything in the jets to clear them. It's time to put the jets back in. No thread tape or seals are required. Don't do them up too tight either. Assemble your stove and let's see the difference. I've got better, more even temperature control, and the left burner, which was a bit low, look at it go now. If yours still isn't going so well, take the jets back out and visit your camping store. They usually carry a range of replacement jets, which again are pretty cheap. And there you go. I hope your camping stove gives you many more years of service, just like this one has. If you have any tips or suggestions, make sure you pop them down in the comments so that future campers might learn from your experience.